Made it up here. Flush the snow off of the tank. Let's see how thick the ice is on the top. I'm sure it's frozen a bit. Yeah, pretty good thick layer. Can't really tell fully, but it looks like it's at least an inch or two deep. But it's all water down below that. And our water's flowing good. Whoops. Got all sideways and I picked it up, but it's deep up here.
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. It never ends. Let's be more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me.
Well, before we move up to the property, we wanted to establish a water system. As you can see, Mark is putting together a phos-free yard hydrant. You could also see that we are installing 1.5-inch main line, and he kind of had to explain it to me. So it's a double wall pipe. So you have the outside shell, which is a hard shell, and then the inside shell is flexible. So any kind of water pressure, it can kind of flex and move. And then the hard shell protects it from, let's say, any kind of movement in the ground, or let's say you're driving heavy equipment across the ground. You can it kind of helps from braking or doing anything like that. You can also see that Mark attached a trace wire to the water line, the main one, the blue line. You can see it kind of sticking out, and he just taped it on top. He didn't put it inside or anything like that. And this is just more of knowing where your line is at. We did put the main line down 48 inches. It is recommended in our area between 32 to 36. However, we want it to be a little bit deeper just to make sure it's successful. So we've installed these frost-free yard hydrants in 3 different places. So we have one in our goat pasture, which is above the barn where he's at right now. It's at the barn pad. And then we have one at the barn, and then we have one for our cabin. We're gonna be finishing the cabin outdoor kitchen, and that water is gonna be used for that.
Got a iceberg boulder here. We had to go around.
We have plans to install 3 more hydrants, and currently we have, I say they're stubbed off, but Mark says they're teed off. They have a curb stop. So what that means is he has like a shut-off valve. There it is, see the picture there? So you have a shut-off valve that's available to you where you can put the key inside and turn it off and work on the line if needed. So this excavating part is the line where it's going to go down to where we're going to build our real house, because the cabin's going to be small for our family, but we're going to build it probably in 2022. But this is also the area where we're going to have our garden and greenhouse. So we're still in the works for putting out a couple more hydrants, and one is for the greenhouse, is still in the planning. And then the orchard, it's already ready for planting, and we have it teed off. So we're gonna go ahead and probably install a hydrant there. And then we have one teed off for the pavilion. So with this water line system, it's all pretty much wrapped up. The only thing that we're missing is an actual well. So you'll see some where we have been hauling water. We currently have half of our tanks full for the winter, but we're hoping to drill a well this spring. So keep on watching and subscribe to our channel. We're so excited to move up there this spring and get going on a lot of these projects. Thank you so much for watching. This is how we add water to our water tanks. Really, this is how Mark adds water to our water tanks. Come next spring, we hope to have a well that puts the water in here. So there you have it.